Hey, how you going? All right, today is Sunday, the 7th of February. Let's learn with Mike. Alrighty. Now, let's share some more notes of Australia. So this is an olden $10 note. You can see it's an Australian note and it's in mint condition, so it's in very good condition. There's another Commonwealth of Australia note, which would have been worth more, but it doesn't have an asterisk, that little star next to it, which would even be better than this Commonwealth of Australia note. And what's weird is they used to have this one as well. After those notes there you just saw, they brought out this $10 note, which I think was a fantastic, beautiful looking note. And it was one of the first plastic notes, so it's not paper, which had something that was very hard to counterfeit, which means to produce an illegal note. But yes, I'm not sure what they got rid of these. Again, it would be something to investigate why they got rid of this wonderful looking, I think it's a wonderful looking note. But now we have a different $10 note here in Australia. So that's some learning there. Let's have a look at this learning. So we have many different shapes that we're going to try and continue or to learn as time goes on. So we have this one, which is pretty easy. It's a circle. It's not the greatest circle in the world. We have this one, which is often called an oval, but I have the letter E there, which you can also call it an ellipse. So an oval can be called an ellipse. Then we have a triangle, but I have the lines here, which means all three sides are equal, so it's an equilateral triangle. Then we have a little one here, which has two equal sides, and that's an isosceles triangle. Then we have a scalene triangle, all three sides are different lengths. And then this one here with this little angle here, showing it's a 90-degree angle there. Alrighty, remember when two lines separate, you have an angle that's been created between those lines. And that's a right angle triangle, okay? Then you have a five-sided shape, and these are regular drawn ones. So regular means the basic way that they're drawn, but these, you can see these two are definitely irregular, the way I've drawn those. Okay, so going back to this, five sides is a pentagon. What is it? A pentagon. Then 6 has an X in it. 6 has an X, so this one is an hexagon. And then this one is a heptagon. It's seven-sided shape. Octagon. Oh, I forgot to put my 8 here. 8-sided shape. And then we have a nonagon, so it's one with an N for 9. Decagon, like decade, for 10. And then there's a dodecagon with 12 sides. And then this one's a rhombus, which looks like a kite a little bit, or a diamond. Well, actually a kite would have too long, too short. So a diamond, but that's called a rhombus. Then we have this one, which is a parallelogram. And we've talked about parallel lines. Those two lines will never, ever meet. So these two black lines are parallel lines, which also go horizontally as well. And then this one is a trapezium, okay? Trapezium, which is two angled sides and then a short length and a long length, okay? So trapezium. So it's great to learn all the different 2D shapes. So they're all 2D, they're two-dimensional because they're flat. They've got basically a length and a width or a height. You can see it as one, but it doesn't have depth, how wide it is. All right, there's our learning today. So our $10 notes and our shapes. All right, great learning, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you soon. See ya. Bye.